The horses started a long time ago here in Atlantis. There's plenty of horses, maybe 60 to 70 horses in Atlantis. They don't even have a real place to stand, you see. So most of the guys, even me, my child, some other guys that's not present today, but we a lot, and most is the youth, children that's not working, but they're willing to look after a horse to get the horse in the best capable condition that they used to be and they should be. We're struggling to get a place because the horses is standing here in between by the houses and stuff. So what we need and what we're fighting for the past 4 years with the municipality of Atlantis to get a stable place for us and for our horses so that we can do more, and even the children that is busy in drugs and stuff, bring them yapas with the horses, growing this thing. So if more people like we Atlantis Youth Horse Development, and our mission is to get the youth from the streets from doing wrong things and make this thing successful in growing in the horses industry. Yes, there's some of the guys that got the card horses, but that is also something in the future that we want to do.
And then the horse unit from the SPCA in Cape Town, do they ever come out here?
Yes, sometimes they come out here. The thing is, what we need here, we need some help. Some people that is willing to help us, to let us grow in this thing, because you can see all these young guys that's here on their horses. They love the horses. If you go in Atlantis, when you drive with the horse, people, the children, they will run from Protea Park. When you get in Section C, you will see that small children still running there. But when you tell them to get on the horse, they don't want to get on the horse. Just to see the horse. Lot of adults also, they don't even know that their children love the horses. Everyone loves the horses. We want the municipality to help us, to get a stable place for us so that we can take good care of our horses. Then there will be less crimes committing, less problems with horses standing in the streets, walking over the roads. Then we can organize our thing. That's all we want.